Welcome! In front of me I have ZEBLAZE Beyond, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. And once you open the watch face menu, you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. Find the watch face you would like to use, and then tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also change the watch face through settings, so you can press the side button to wake up the screen, press it again to open the menu, scroll down, find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings, and in settings you have watch faces option. You can tap on it, it will open the watch face menu, find the watch face you would like to use, and tap on it to select it and apply it. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.